Welcome to Snuck in a Snowstorm. Also, the power went out.
I'll shut the lights, start bothering you. Okay.
Let's get into it.
To make them dinner, we're having raw food.
Hello, guys, and today on the forecast they said very, very low temperatures. The high today is literally a minus 16 degrees, and the low is 31. It is a very chilly day, and we need to get some pets some of those.
I might have to move the camera closer.
We need 3.
That's why it's not picking things up.
I do not know what to do with them when it is so cold outside. They said we're going to get a snowstorm overnight, and possibilities of power going out right now is at 91%. So yeah, it is so cold. The grass is literally freezing. I literally had snow boots on. I still kind of slip. This is a war crime. I actually need to get 4 for the baby, you know. If you want to know, Blake went to work in his little suit. Well, the thing I'm wearing suit. I don't know what you call them. So yeah, I had the humidifier on. All of their heaters are on except for that. There. They're all on now. I just gotta put these behind the beds. Okay, there. They've been spending a lot of time in this room because this room is very warm because of our new lamp. Well, I'll go get those from the inventory. The shirt complex, so yeah, sorry, we're gonna have to take you off. Oh, I hate these plain clothes, but I'm gonna get 4 of these for all of us. Let's talk about vampire songs. Beep, beep, beep. Wait, what the heck? Beep, beep, beep. Let me listen to this. Announcement. Breaking news. There is a 25% chance that tornadoes could happen. Wind mile speeds up to 47 miles per hour by damaging roads right now in Avocado City. Please, if you live in Avocado City, Ice Cream State, or whatever street, or OK Street, I would advise you to right now, shut the doors, lock all of them, turn all the heat stuff on, because there is definitely wind chills of minus 39, negative 39 degrees. Also, another update. With the snow, we are expecting 3.5 feet tonight, between 5 and 5 a.m. tomorrow. Oh my gosh. 5 o'clock is literally in 2 minutes.
Because it's really cold
What the
out,
heck?
and the sun is
You know what?
beautiful.
I'm just gonna lock this door.
I need to find the fabric.
None of y'all are going outside.
What happened was when we had fleas, I put so much of the
Hopefully
cat stuff
he's
in
okay.
my
Let me
storage tubs in my
text
storage
him.
room downstairs. And that happened before was Boo jumped down from the cat tower, like his office, and he went to use the scratch. That pretty with the little white cat looking out the window and the Christmas tree behind him or her. It's a pretty card. Oh, thank you very, very much. This says, thinking of you at Christmas and wishing you happiness always. A pen for me. Nicole, I think your writing has improved a lot since your last card. I think you're doing well. I think you're doing great. I'm sending you more and more best wishes for a full recovery from your stroke. And look at this cute sticker. Look, it's Stella's favorite red truck. Isn't that so nice? Thank you so much, Nicole and Zoe, for this beautiful Christmas card and for thinking of us and for your very generous donation. And we hope you and everyone have a great holiday and new year. John and I think you will keep all of the cats. You're doing very well looking after 11 cats. Thank you so much for thinking of us and sending us these lovely Christmas greetings. We hope you've had a very Merry Christmas, and we send you lots of Rachel Markham at DBG Accessories on Etsy. Well, thank you so much, Rachel. And the cat's got an Amazon gift card that is... So thank you so much for sending this.
What was that? I think it's snowing. Meanwhile, outside.
And what do we have here? This is a plaque that says Shiraz with grapes on it. This is a stack of notepads to write on. And I'm thinking I am going on the floor here because I think the cats down here will really appreciate these on.
Oh, it's snowing. Mom. It's snowing. Can we please go outside? Okay, fine, but only for a little bit. Yay! Are you gonna come with us? Sure, why not?
Marty might like this one. I'll see about that. Thank you so much for going through the wash today. We hope you've had a very Merry Christmas, and we send you lots of best wishes for a very happy 2024.
Take this off. You guys go on. Let's go.
Downing makes clothes softer and fresher and better. We breathe life into your laundry.
Yay! Come on, let's go. Okay, we're ready. Okay. I'll even bring the baby, but she can wear my thing because it's super cold. Yay! Yay! Wait, why are the lights flickering? I think it's a power outage? What's a power outage? A power outage is when there is no lights or electricity. Ooh, it snowed so much. You want to see a trick, guys? I call it the trickity. You jump off the slide and into the snow. You dare me to jump in here? No, I don't think you should. I want to try. Woo! I feel nothing. Woo! Me either, but my pants are all wet. It's okay though, there's snow pants. What they're talking about? Yeah. I was gonna plan on going down the slide and then throwing a snowball on Mom. I know. It's gonna be so hilarious. You make a snowball, I'll grab the block of ice. Okay? Deal. Deal. Ready? Yeah. Wee. So cold. Haha. We tricked you. Look who came in the door with the snowball. Dad! We're having a snowball fight. Wanna join? Sure. Ah! No, send it down this slide. I demand you, little star. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna throw the dog. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed and meow. Oh, they even wanna play.